Hi, I'm Rich.
Hi, I'm Josh.
Hi, I'm Ren.
I'm Ian.
Hi, I'm Marie.
Hi, I'm Marcel.
And we are Team RA!
Hi everyone. This tutorial is all about array. First of all, what is array? Array is a collection or sequence of a fixed number of variables called elements or components, wherein all the elements are of the same data type. It stores a fixed size sequential collection of elements of the same type. Instead of declaring variables, you declare one array variable to represent individual variables.
And now, I will show you an example of an array table. As you can see, I have 5 numbers in these boxes, which is 17, 25, 69, 7, and 5. These numbers are called elements. And each of these elements have an index. An index always starts with 0. For example, if we will call the value of index 2, it will show the value of element number 3, which is 69. For you to easily understand, you can use the formula index is equals to array length minus 1. And that's it.
For the continuation, I'll explain how to declare an array and call one of its elements.
First, I will declare an int variable named list. Then, I will put a square bracket because we're about to create an array. The next thing you do is you're going to put new int another bracket and put a number. This number indicates the array length. Now, I will declare the elements inside each index. To display the number inside the table, I will type system.out.println.
To explain more about creating an array, I will use string as the data type of the array.
First, I will declare its data type. I'll use string as my array data type. Then, I'll put brackets for it to be an array. Then, I'll use list as the array name. Inside the brackets, I'll put 6, which will be the array length. I'll declare the elements. For index 0, the element is DS in information technology. for index 1, I'll use BS in Computer Science. For index 2, the element is BS in Psychology. For index 3, the element is BS in Hotel and Restaurant Management. For index 4, I'll use BS in Business Management. And for the last index, I'll declare its element as BS in Business Administration. To call the element of the string, I'll use system.out.println. I'll add the index on number 0 so that if I run it, the output will be BS in Information Technology, which is the value of the element. That's it. If you want to call another or other index, just change the number of the index, and that's it.
Hi! For you to understand more about arrays, I'm going to create a sample program that uses a control structure to get the name, section, grade, and compute it.
First, I will declare two string variables, name, section, and an integer variable, subjects. Then, I'll ask the user to enter their name by using the code system.out.println, enter the name. And name is equals to console.next line. Next is the section. I'll use the code system.out.println, enter your section. And section is equals to console.next line. After getting the section, I will also ask the user to enter how many subjects do they have with the code system.out.println, how many subjects do you have? And subjects is equals to console next int. This will serve as my array length. Now that I have the array length, I will now create an array, and I will use the syntax int open and close bracket subject is equals to new int open bracket subjects close bracket. I will also use the variable counter to determine what subject number the user is entering. After creating the array, I will now ask the user to enter their grade with the use for loop. Note, the number of times the user will enter the grade depends on the value of the subject.
That's good. That's all right.
After getting the grade, I will now declare a variable sum is equals to 0 in order to add each number. For adding the variable of the array, I will use another for loop. With the formula, sum is equals to sum plus subject, open bracket, index, close bracket. After adding, I will now display the name and section that you input using the code system.out.println. I also need to get the average, and in order to get the average, I divided the sum into the length of the array. Then, after computing, I will now display the average of the grade entered by the user, using again system.out.println. Then, for the remarks of your grade, I will be using an if-else statement with the code if average is greater than 70, it will display the output pass. Else, it will display the output fail.